Hey everyone, this is Mohit. Welcome back to my channel. Today's session, we are going to talk about an important and popular topic that is GenAI or generative AI. Before we use GenAI with any other technology, it is very important to know about what GenAI is. Let's understand by understanding what generative AI or GenAI really means. GenAI and generative AI mean the same thing. Basically, GenAI is like a smart assistant that can write, draw, talk, and create just like a human but faster. In other words, GenAI is a type of AI or artificial intelligence that can create new things, not just analyze data. Very important. Why GenAI is a big deal? Because that saves time, boosts productivity, reduces manual effort, enables creativity, and makes automation faster. Now, why is everyone talking about GenAI? Because it delivers real business value. What can GenAI do? Write things for you like emails, stories like agile stories, or even computer code. Also creates images and designs. Very interestingly, generates voice or music and also answers questions and chat like a human. Now we move to the GenAI limitations. It can give wrong answers sometimes, even if it sounds confident, needs human to double check important work, may also have security and privacy risks. And the last, it works best with good quality data. Think of GenAI like a very smart student who has read a lot and practiced a lot. Now, how does GenAI work? It learns from data, means GenAI is trained on huge amounts of data such as books, websites, images, and code. This is how it gains general knowledge about language, facts, and styles. It understands patterns. From the data, GenAI learns patterns like how sentences are formed, how logic flows, writing styles, and relationships between ideas. It doesn't memorize answers, it learns how things usually fit together. Response to prompts. When you give GenAI an input called a prompt, such as a question, a command, an idea, GenAI understands what you are asking and the context behind it. And the last generates output. Based on everything it has learned, GenAI predicts the best possible response, create a new content like text, images, code, and more, makes the output feel human-like. This is why responses sound natural and intelligent. As a summary, GenAI learns from data, understands patterns, takes your input, and creates new output. Moving next. Generative AI help companies to create content automatically instead of doing everything manually in enterprises. It is mainly used in four areas. The very first one is text generation. GenAI can write and understand text just like a human. What it does in companies such as chatbots for customer support, writing emails and reports, summarizing long documents, and generating or explaining the code. Examples of tools like ChatGPT, Anthropic Claude, and Google Gemini. This saves time and reduces manual writing work. Next, image generation. GenAI can create images and designs from simple text instructions. What it does in companies: create logos and UI designs, generate marketing creatives, and produce concept art. Examples of tools like Delhi, OpenAI text to image tool, another one Canva AI that design AI images. No need to depend fully on designers for basic visuals. Another one, audio and video generation. GenAI can create voice, audio, and videos. What it does in companies: voice assistants, AI narrators for training videos, and music or audio content. Useful for learning, onboarding, and customer engagement. And the last, code generation. That's really important, right? GenAI helps developers to write and convert code faster. What it does in companies: autocomplete code, very interesting, convert logic between programming languages, and reduce coding errors. Example tool like GitHub Copilot. We will have separate session on GitHub Copilot so developers work faster and focus on logic instead of syntax. Sounds good? Moving next, GenAI help businesses to do work faster, smarter, and with less manual effort. Different industries use GenAI in different ways. Very first one is finance. In finance teams, GenAI help with processing invoices, automatically creating financial reports, and reducing manual data entry. This saves time and reduces errors. Second one, healthcare. In a healthcare, GenAI help with writing clinical summaries, medical coding, and reducing doctors' paperwork. Doctors can spend more time with patients instead of documentation, right? And third one is response to prompts. GenAI works based on your input called a prompt. As discussed earlier, you ask a question, give a command, and share an idea. GenAI understands what you want and responds accordingly. And the last generates output. After understanding your input, GenAI creates new content, produces human like responses, and delivers results quickly. This could be text, reports, summaries, or insights. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your support really keeps me motivated to create more awesome videos. Thank you, everyone.